Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. Remember to put a sufficient quantity of paper towels under the filter to collect the fuel that will seep out as you disassemble the filter. You now need to disconnect the hoses. Using your fingers or a flat screwdriver, press the green tab while removing the diesel outlet hose. Repeat this step for the second hose. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the clamping nut on the filter ring. Remove the filter. Place the filter into a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Get the new filter. Make sure the bleed screw is securely fastened and remove the sealing cap. Then install the filter in the ring. Then screw the ring back on. Reconnect the fuel hoses. Pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.